Good afternoon, respected judges and committee members. I'm Ezra, an 11th grade student from Public Senior High School of 88 Jakarta. Well, to start, I would like to tell about myself. First of all, I'm a very curious person. I always want to know about something, how it affects and why it is chosen. So there are two questions that always comes from my mind, which is why and how. And this habit has led me to explore new global cultures, follow current issues that happen in local or global. But my curiosity doesn't stop there. I also try to deliver into something else, which is leadership and communication. As the leader of school's journalism extracurricular, I have managed to create a proactive team, a team that is able to deliver almost real-time update on my school social media, which is Instagram and TikTok. I'm also part of JPCC Next Gen Ministry Teacher, and I also empower many next generations from fourth grade until sixth grade. My motivation to join Shanghai International Sister City Youth Camp comes from my actual desire to learn directly from one of the most advanced cities in the world, where technology and discipline work together to shape a high performing students. I am interested in observing how the technology is integrated into education and improve the students. I'm also interested on how the system shapes students and how it can encourage students in the long term. And I believe that I can understand these aspects better through first-hand experience or direct experience. And I hope that I will get many insights that can be adapted into my own environment, which is my school. At the same time, I also valid my own cultural identity. If I need to deliver or introduce one thing to international students about Jakarta, I will introduce about Sarinah. Sarinah is not just an historical building as it is the first department store. Sarinah now has grown beyond a commercial space into a cultural center that represents our culture, Indonesian culture. It can gather people from all around the world with different backgrounds, different environment. They can learn our culture there. And also, Sarinah is where people can spend their time. People can have a discussion there where in a fast moving city like in Shanghai or many other cities, they have the culture of grab and go. And this thing is what our culture, this what makes our culture different than the others. And also, uh, in international camp, I do aware that we will meet person from different cities, different backgrounds, and you know, I will try to listen. I always try to listen and understand what people say. I will not judge. Rather, I try to understand and open my mind as my experience as the leader of Christian Fellowship, as the journalism and also the project leader of Gladiator have taught me from those experiences. And after the program, I would like to share my experience through social media platform, uh, which my school has more than 2,500 followers, and my passion also there, creating a video, journalism. And after that, I will organize also a sharing sessions so that people from my school and also the teachers can learn. And through these platforms, I aim to ensure that what I learn in Shanghai can be delivered and reach wide audience, also create a meaningful impact for the students, but not just myself. And I know that Jakarta continues to grow as a global city, and one important thing that you guys can learn from Shanghai that I will also introduce to Jakarta's people is how advanced their technology is and how they can apply in the young generations. Um, there they have like the spirit of entrepreneurship. They have the spirit of learning. Well, Jakarta also have those spirits, but I hope that by giving an insight for Jakarta young generation, I hope that they have willing to start a business that can uh, make our economy grow more and more, because now in Jakarta people still thinking for the safe job, job that is stable all the time. But by my insight from Shanghai, I really want to change the spirit and make Jakarta better. I think that's all. I'm Ezra from a school that may not be popular, may not be strategic, but here I'm proudly present about my school. I hope that this opportunity will help me to be a better person. Thank you.